Now let's be very real, Windows 11 looks beautiful, it's sleek, it's modern, but under the hood, it's very cluttered. And right now there is a massive amount of system junk and background processes eating your RAM and suffocating your hardware true potential. Now most of you don't even know that what's running behind the scene, and if you bring up the task manager, go to the performance, or even if you look in the process, you find that tons of processes running behind the computer. Even you don't know about it, even you are not using them, but they are still running here. In this video guys, I will be breaking down the 5 simple steps to completely debloat and optimize Windows 11, and these are the settings that I personally apply on most of my client computer, and most of them get the result. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Now here the very first thing that I would recommend you to start with is to debloat your Windows 11. Now when you click on the start icon, you see that there are lots of applications, and in order to view them, if you open up settings, go to apps and installed applications, so you will find all kind of bloatware, all kind of third-party application like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft To Do, News, lighter and casual games, Clipchamp. Now I'm pretty sure that most of you might not be using it, but they still run in the computer in the background. And in order to remove all this junk from your computer, what you can do, you can use a free application called by the name Revo Uninstaller. So bring up any of your browser, search for Revo Uninstaller. You will be getting the very first website, click on it, then click on free download. And very quickly the downloading will be started, and it's a small file, so it will be quickly downloaded. So click on the downloaded file, click on yes, go with the basic installation here, and once it will be installed, you will be getting this kind of neat and clean dashboard. Here from the top menu option, if you come in the very first option, it will list you here all kind of third-party application that you have manually installed on a device. So I would recommend you look for the application here whichever you are not using or you rarely use. Kindly go ahead and just uninstall them. So look for the application, select it, then click uninstall from the top. If you want to create a restore point, you can do that. Click continue, click on scan. It will show you all the file in the registry. Click select all, click on delete, click on yes. Now it will show you the remaining file in the local drive. So again select all, click on delete, click on yes. So this way you have to look for each and every application here, whichever you're not using, you have to remove it. Then from the top you have to come to the Windows apps, and now it will be loading up all the default Windows application. So look here for the application that you're not using, like Clipchamp. I'm not using it, so I will select it, click on uninstall, click on continue, click on scan, then select all, then click on delete and click on yes. Again select all, click on delete, click on yes. And this way you have to delete all the bloatware here, whichever you don't want, like Bing, Team, To Do, News. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly just remove all these applications. Alright, so I'm done now. So I have debloated all the unwanted bloatware, so it's totally clean now. I will close it. Now next you have to click on Windows search, type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell, click run as administrator, click on yes. The PowerShell will be up, and I will be sharing a command in the description. You will have to copy this command. This is a small command. Then make a right click here in the PowerShell, paste it and hit the enter key. Now wait for a while, and this will bring up this WinUtil application. Now here from the top you have to click on tweaks, and it gives you some recommended selection. It's a kind of preset, so I would recommend you to click on standard here, and it will show you what exactly tweak it's going to apply. Like it will be disabling the activity history, the consumer feature, it will be running the disk cleanup, end task with right click, file explorer, hibernation. If you want to make any kind of changes here, like some of the options you don't want to be applied, then you can uncheck it. Some of the things that are already been unchecked, but if you want to apply them, then you can check from here. Then below it says advanced tweak, and here basically you can choose more option like background application. I want to disable the background applications. I will check this item. Full screen optimization, I will also disable it. IP version 6, I will disable it. Microsoft Copilot, I will disable it. Storage sense, I will disable it. Visual effect set to best performance, so I will just choose this option. So the option that I selected as safe to use. Then on the right hand side, if you want to choose any option, you can choose it. Then click on ultimate performance profile, and you have to click on enable one, this one. And then finally you have to click on run tweaks. Once you click on run tweaks, if you bring up the PowerShell window, so you will find the optimization has been started, the tweak is being started being applying. So you have to wait until it's all been done. And once it will be completed, it will say tweaks are being finished. Alright, so now you can close it. Next, click on Windows search, type sysdm.cpl and hit the enter key. It will bring up the system properties. From the top, you have to click on advanced. Under the performance, you have to click on settings. Now by default, it's been selected to let Windows choose, which has selected almost all kind of animation. And we don't want the unwanted animation, so choose the third option here and enable few of them, like animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, show thumbnail instead of icons, and smooth edges of a screen font. Click apply and click on OK. Click OK. And now next we have to disable some unwanted services, so click on Windows search, type services and hit the enter key. And here the very first service that I would recommend you is the BitLocker. Now you might be aware that BitLocker basically help you to encrypt the drive with the password, and if you're not using it or you're not planning to use it in the future, then you should go ahead and disable it. So open it, start a type, choose it to disable, stop the service, click on apply, click on OK. Next after that you have to look for connected user experience and telemetry, that basically collect all your information. So again you have to choose it to disable, click on stop, apply and OK. Next you can come to the file history service, and if you're not using the file history service, that is basically for the backup of your data of your drive, then you can also go ahead and disable it. This is all optional, it's all up to you. Then come to the geolocation service, double click on it, choose it to disable, stop the service, click on apply, click on OK. Next find the parental control, and if you're not using the parental control feature, that is basically for the parents to observe or to control their child activities, then you should go ahead and disable this as well. Again open it, choose it to disable, stop it, click on apply, click on OK. Next look for the print spooler. If you're not using the printer like me, then you can also go ahead and disable it, stop it, click on apply and click on OK. Next you have to look for sysmain. To come to the S section and you will find somewhere sysmain, and if you are using the SSD, then no need to keep this option enabled. Again double click on it, choose it to disable, stop it, click on apply, click on OK. And then finally you have to look for Windows search. So press the W key, somewhere you will find Windows search. Here it is, double click on it, choose it to disable, stop it. Now don't worry, it won't be disabling the Windows search for you, it will only be disabling the indexing. Click on apply and click on OK. Now you can close it. And now we are only remaining with the final step, where we have to run some command in order to fix any problem with the Windows operating system. So click on Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click run as administrator, click on yes. And here the very first command that you have to type, DISM.exe /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. I will leave this command in the description as well. And once you hit the enter key, it will be running the command. It will try to repair any kind of corrupted file, so you will have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, and once it get completed, now next you have to type sfc /scan_now. And let this command also get 100% completed. And once it will be completed, I will be restarting the computer, and then I will show you that what kind of difference we have made. Alright, so the command is completed. Now let me go ahead and restart the computer. And once it will be restarted, then I will show you that what kind of utilization is now. And even if you had any kind of lagging or stuttering, freezing issues, everything will be resolved now. Okay, and the computer has been restarted now. And this time if I bring up the task manager and go to the performance, so boom guys, now you can see the process count came to 93. That was around 160. That's a big change. The thread count that was around 1800, it came to around 1660. And the handle count that was going around 80,000, now it's been reduced to 47,000. And that's really a big change. The lower the process count will be, lower the handle count will be, the lower burden will be on the CPU, and so on. Whenever you will try to open any kind of application or program, it will not be lagging, it will not be stuttering. Alright, so that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found the video informative, and this will be surely fixing your problem, speeding up your Windows 11. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.